Hello, traders, and welcome to TradingWithBill.com. Yes, I am Bill, and yeah, it's a Friday here in Thailand. It's bright blue, sunny skies. It's just absolutely gorgeous today. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, started early this morning. A lot went on yesterday. Had some good results out of one of our trade plans yesterday. We'll get to that in just a moment. However, let's just take a look at what's going on today. Let's take a look at the indices. Markets looked like they closed in the green yesterday. So let's take a look. S&P 500 futures is up 0.05%. NASDAQ futures up 0.11%. Dow 30 up 0.85%. The DAX closed up 0.09%. The Nikkei 225 is up 0.80%. And the dollar index is still in that same spot, and it's just up 0.02%, which is like nothing. So, but we're not above that 100 level, and that is concerning, right? But it's only a couple of days. Let them settle down a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. But we really want that dollar index above 100. So we'll see what happens, right? All right, let's grab a peek here at the commodities and just take a real look at those. All right, gold is down 0.26%, but it's still in that 12,800 area, so it's still the same. Crude oil, WTI, is at 51.10. It's up 0.49%. Brent oil is up 0.57%, and that's at 53.23. They're all staying above $50 a barrel, as we predicted long ago. Oil's not going below $50 a barrel, folks. They're not going to let it happen. Whoever they are, I have no idea, but they're not going to let it happen. I say it's the 5-6 major banks in the world that are manipulating oil. All right, so let's take a look at the economic calendar today. And we had some come out. What do we have today? Friday. Brazil's on holiday, by the way. Wow. Let's go into the Eurozone. We have PMI. Looks like PMI day here. So the Euro's got, out of French, has PMI. German composite PMI out of the Eurozone. German manufacturing PMI. That'll be a shaker and a mover. That one will get a little nick there. Then as we head down, we have manufacturing PMI out of the Eurozone. Market composite also. A lot of just PMIs all over the place. Great British Pound has core retail sales today, and retail sales month on month, which is the big number out of the pound today. CAD has core CPI today, month on month. That's their big number. And in the U.S., we have existing home sales for March, and existing home sales month on month for March. So, yeah, quite an active day, I've got to be honest with you. I see a lot going on here. Doesn't look like we have anything over the weekend as far as summits or anything like that. So we don't have to worry about that stuff. So we're pretty clean as far as data goes and what we can do for the rest of the week. My chair keeps sinking. All right, here we go. All right, so let's take a look from yesterday. I was in this Euro-Aussie pair from here, I think it was. And then, of course, it ticked up and did all this nasty stuff. I ended up moving my stop, which was okay. Why? Because I trade small, but I trade a lot. That's the secret in my book. This kept inching up. Anyhow, this down move here was at the New York session. And I was out to dinner, and I actually saw this red candle. So this moved around. I'm in here somewhere, and I'm saying, you know what? Now I'm doing this on my cell phone. I'm saying, we need to get out of this. We need to scale out of this and we had profits for the day. We did not have profits for the overall trade because I had 2 entries, if you remember. So I scaled yesterday's entry with profit. However, you can see I get up in Asia and we're here, right? So I only took like an 18 pip or 16 pip hit overall, which I'm thrilled with. I have no problem with that. So it was a tough trade. I still think this is coming down. I think this Euro Aussie is absolutely coming down to the downside. No doubt about it. This just has to break some levels. And if this falls below this 41.80 area, this thing's just gonna dive. It's gonna dive down back to the support area. If you take a look to your left of the chart, that's gonna dive down to there. So that's what I see going on with the Euro Aussie. It's a great pair to learn. It really is. All right, let's take a look at the pair that really did really well yesterday. If everybody stuck with it, and if you stuck with it longer than I got out of it, you actually did real well. You got another 30 pips here, right? Close to 30 pips here. So, yeah, 20 pips, sorry. And this, remember, we looking at this up here, right? We want to sell this. And what happened was we sold it, and this models on down. My take profit, my order was in to take profit at 70.10. Remember, we got it at 70.46, 47, and it was a 36 pip trade, and but this ended up going down for another bounce. But I didn't take that. I got out at that 70.10. Like I said, if I was at my desk and I was trading, I would have let that run. I would have taken some off and just let it run. But I was out, and luckily I had the orders in, and the phone just confirmed that it got out. So yeah, really nice trade. Let's take a look at today. Today we're looking at the beast. We're taking a look at the pound yen today. I know I'm hearing in the background, I can hear y'all saying this is extremely bullish. You're correct. On this hourly chart, this is bullish. However, if you go to a daily chart, it is tanking like a rock. Going through the atmosphere, okay? This is tanking, my friends, okay? We have to take advantage of this. This is a 200 plus pip trade if this works. The drawdown is it's 100 pip stop loss. So I just bring my size all the way down when I enter this trade, and then we take the trade. So we're looking at getting in here at 139.50. We're looking to put our stop at 140.50, and we're looking to get out at 137.50. It's a 200 pip trade, my friends. 200 pip trade on this pound yen to the downside. We need a break of the trend line, maybe a retest. That could happen. We'll get a retest, and then we take it to the downside. Now, we do have a lot of data coming out in the pound. That's got to be on the back of your mind where you want to take that. So just be careful with that, because we do have data coming on this today, and it could make a difference. But again, the pound is weak and the yen is strong on a general basis. I understand this has been an uptick here for 3 days. I get it. But my bias on the pair is still bearish. Okay, I want to take advantage of bearish trades to sell this. I want to sell the pound yen. Okay, traders, that's about it for me. I'm sure I went over my time limit as usual, and it was great being with you on a Friday. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.